He felt like she was failing or failed him.
Why didn't it take
Witnesses take the stand in the case against the parents of the accused Oxford school shooter. James and Jennifer Crumbley are accused of making a gun accessible to their 15-year-old son Ethan and failing to intervene when he showed possible signs of mental distress. Thanks for joining us for the news at 5 tonight. I'm Meg McLeod. David will join us in just a moment. 4 students were killed and several others were injured at Oxford High School during that late November shooting. And now a judge will determine whether to send the Crumbley parents to trial for involuntary manslaughter. TV5's James Felton joins us live in the studio with more from the courtroom. James?
Meg, today in court, we heard from Jennifer Crumbley's supervisor at the real estate company she worked for. Andrew Smith testified about a series of text messages he received from Crumbley on the day of the Oxford High School shooting.
I have to go to my kid's school. Counselor just called, and this is what I'm dealing with. I'll be back by 11:30, 12 at the latest.
That was the text Andrew Smith got from Jennifer Crumbley at 10:05 a.m. on November 30th. Crumbley sent a picture with the text that showed what her son Ethan had drawn on his math worksheet. You can see a handgun with the words, "The thoughts won't stop, help me," along with a drawing that appears to show a bleeding student. He also wrote down "blood everywhere" with a bullet beneath. Smith testified that he saw Crumbley back at work around noon.
I recall asking her how things were, how she was doing, and she had said that her son needed to get some counseling. And I think she mentioned his dog, a family pet, had passed away, and a grandparent had passed away recently, and she felt like she was failing or failed him.
Smith went on to say Crumbley was scheduled to visit a property later that afternoon. That all changed around 1 o'clock when he heard Crumbley screaming.
I walked out of my office to see what was going on, and I saw and heard Mrs. Crumbley say that there was an active shooter at her child's school.
Smith said Crumbley left to go to the high school. At 1:23, Smith got another text.
The gun is gone and so are the bullets.
Smith told the court about another text he got from Crumbley at 2:15.
OMG, Andy, he's going to kill himself. He must be the shooter.
And then the next text?
I need a lawyer at substation with police.
And then what else?
Ethan did it.
Then at 3:39, Smith said he received one last text before authorities took Crumbley's phone away.
I need my job. Please don't judge me for what my son did.
Given everything that happened, a tragic event that left students dead and injured, Smith told the court this final message caught him off guard.
I was surprised she was worried about her job at the time. I thought she'd be more worried about what was going on.
And coming up at 6, we'll show you an emotional moment in court when James Crumbley's 911 call to police the day of the shooting was played during the proceeding. Meg, back to you.